Oh yeah, this is a quick and easy one. If you're having problems with the misfire on a Ford Focus with the Z-Tech engine in it, what you'll probably find out fairly soon is that your spark plugs are getting wet. You can see rusty water stained on the end of this. The water gets onto the HT lead, sits down in the wells. The spark plug wells sits in there. This one's been dried out now. I've left it overnight to dry itself out, but you can see that water has clearly been sat in there. The spark plug becomes immersed in water, and then that shorts it out, and then you get intermittent misfires, especially under load. So yeah, you've probably managed to get that far, and you've probably cleaned it out a few times, and you're thinking, where the hell's this bloody water coming from? There are some seals here on the top of the HT lead which don't do a very good job. So the water is coming from your washer jet, which is directly, when the bonnet is shut, the washer jet is here, and when the bonnet is shut, it sits directly over your spark plug hole here. So a good way of proving it is to get yourself a little squirty can with some water in. Just squirt it onto the jet. The problem is that where the washer jet sits against the bonnet, there's no seal to stop rainwater running through, and so the water sits between the washer jet and the bonnet and runs down through and dribbles through the washer jet. The camera's not picking that up very well, but there's water starting to creep through there. There's water marks on the back of the washer jet, runs down the washer jet, runs into the plug hole, and fills your spark plug up with water, and then you get misfires. So there's a couple of ways of fixing it. You can either take the jet out and seal it yourself with some clear sealant, or there is a revised washer jet available from Ford which has a seal on it, and then that'll stop the pesky water getting back in and causing you more misfires. All the best.